it's me again, in my opinion. I just want to say I tested the soap 1 minute and it did not work. Do not do this. It will smoke in your microwave. This and you do not want to do it. If you do use stink, please do not use soap that is dust or whatever it is. So I'm just telling you that if you microwave the soap for 1 minute, it's not going to work. So don't even try. Please subscribe and hear more facts about what doesn't work. Bye.